trades on the day for the last trade of the week for Friday, October the 27th, 2023. We are short on the signal strength trader and waiting about, this is going to exit in about 7 minutes. This is trading 8 contracts, one for every 250K, so up a little bit. It could go back and forth here at the close, but it's interesting. One of the things that always is, it's so hesitant to go down. The market is so hesitant to go down at this time of day. You see the prop up here, you see the prop up here, you see the prop up here, constant propping at the end of the day, and we've seen that, markets have done this over the years, but it's consistently done this for a very long time, much longer than I believe I've ever seen. It would have to go back and study that, the history of that, but I wanted to play a funny, interesting video and how markets actually do this and how the markets feel like they're trading against you. It's from The Big Short with Michael Burry. This is an interesting video from 2015, and I'm going to play this setup for you. It has to do with the financial crisis in 2008, and you see Christian Bale playing the character of Michael Burry, and he got short early and is frustrated with the banks marking his positions against him.
Listening.
Dr. Burry?
Yeah.
Steve Winston, Goldman Sachs. Listen, I've been reviewing your position. I wanted to discuss your marks, make sure they're fair.
Yeah, I think you mean that you've secured a net short position yourselves, so you're free to mark my swaps accurately for once, because it's now in your interest to do so.
I'm not sure what you want me to say.
I think you've already said it.
So going over the trades on the day, once again, at the end, it's 3:45 now, and it's placed the exit time order, and just waiting for that to exit. So this is a good time to talk about how you can get errors. This strategy has exited. It doesn't show it here in the matrix, but double checking on another platform. This position is not open still. Sometimes if you're running out of memory or for whatever reason, I am using TradeStation 9.1 for this because it allows me to load more history on the money management algorithms in TradeStation 10. And so this trade is finished, and it is up plus 775 per 250K. So we're just about plus 50 on the month. So right at break even on the month, came back, and so we have a $1,500 stop loss, a $2,400 profit target, and I believe we've had 4 winners and 4 losers, but not all trades hit their profit target or stop loss. We get out at the end of the day. The exit time is right there. So right at break even on the day, and going over, let's go over the money management algorithms as well. The stock index portfolio 34 was it's up 3,300 on the day. It is as of yesterday in a 61 out of 67K drawdown, and so the signal strength trader is keeping us in with a good opportunity to take advantage of some moves while limiting our risk during this unusually challenging time. As of yesterday, the stock index portfolio 21 was in a 25,650 out of a 29,875 drawdown. We like to start on drawdowns, but we've had an unusual market environment that is extremely choppy, and it's been prolonged choppy, and a lot of the strategies are struggling, and so we're waiting for it to get out of this. Today it looks like it, let's see, plus 575, 600, 975 on DTM4. SR counter trend 2 is up. SR counter trend 2 is up. Gap fill was up, and so today would have been a good day to start the S&P portfolio 21. Let's see, it is up 4,400 today on the trade. Let's look at the calcs. You can see it's only had 16% of the winning days lately, and it's gone through a losing streak like this. It had an equity pick on October the 11th, and it had one winning day right here on the 16th, and it hit our drawdown level here at 22K, and we were looking for a 15K drawdown, so you could have get in intraday. It hit a $7,000 loss, almost $8,000 loss, $1,500 loss, $2,000 loss, And so picking that bottom, it's up 4,400 a day, so it's still better than our 15K. We're still, if we get in now, we're still at about 21K drawdown on the S&P portfolio, 21. And the market should move. We only have 2 days left in this month, but it should have moved a long time ago, and it hasn't. It's not moving on days when it should normally move. And the Michael Burry video says it very well. It seems as if we're in a market that should go down, and it's taken a very long time. I'm very surprised at how long it's taking to actual move lower and have an actual downtrend, which is healthy and normal. A normal healthy correction in the market is historically part of normal free market environments. And this market is for some reason, and it seems to be in a mindset that corrections aren't supposed to happen really, and when it does, it shouldn't have, or the Fed should do something about it. So that is where we are. And so I continue to look at this setup, look at other setups as well, continue to do research on SR counter trends. Here is the SR counter trend portfolio that I want to merge with some of the stock index portfolios. You can see it was down yesterday about 2,000. I'll see what it is down today. I'll need to update that at the end of the day. But this is going back to 2007. No losing years on this, hypothetically speaking, and it's using our existing SR counter trend strategies with some different stop loss parameters. And so more on that once I finish it. And this is part of what we're working on, merging SR counter trends, commodities, and stock indexes. This matrix still shows a position, but it has exited, verified on another platform. These are the trades on the day for Friday, October the 27th, 2000. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.